Thank you. Good morning, Honorable Chief Minister, respected dignitaries on the stage, dear partners and friends. Tamil Nadu has been a pioneer in the wind industry, and now with this new investment in hydrogen, it's set to be a pioneer in hydrogen as well. Sembcorp has been a long partner with the state of Tamil Nadu in renewables, and now we are really looking forward to this next phase of our partnership. So I really want to thank the government of Tamil Nadu, led by the Honorable Chief Minister, and yourself, Mr. Raja, for this support to this pioneering industry. Just to let you know a little bit about this project, we are trying to set up a green hydrogen and green ammonia plant in Tuticorin. This investment in many ways reflects the deep relationship between India, Singapore, and Japan, and particularly the deep cultural and investment ties between Tamil Nadu, Singapore, and Japan. So we are very, very pleased to be doing this. We have assembled a set of very credible partners with whom we've actually worked with for many, many years together. They are also here and they'll join me shortly. This includes an off-taker from Japan, Kyushu Electric Power, one of the most respected power companies of Japan, Sojitz, one of the most well-known and respected trading institutions of Japan, and NYK Shipping Line, which needs really no introduction. The project is already moving towards at an advanced stage. We have secured the land in Tuticorin Port. The offtake agreement was signed yesterday in New Delhi, and the front-end engineering design of FEED has already commenced and is well underway. So that's the project, and it's moving ahead. Santanam very nicely mentioned about the ecosystem in Tamil Nadu. I was very happy to see in the video that many of our renewables supply chain partners, and even yourself, Santanam, our customers in renewables are already in Tamil Nadu. And I'm very confident and expect that as we move forward to green hydrogen, the same will be true, because creation of this ecosystem really creates longevity, it creates competitiveness, and it creates stickiness for investments. So that is something we really look forward to. But most of all, I want to recognize the incredible professionalism that we have witnessed in our journey so far in Tamil Nadu. The systematic way. Chief Minister, sir, you came to Singapore. We had a very good discussion there. From there, you went to Japan. I'm very happy to say today the Singaporeans are here investing and the Japanese are here investing with us. After that, you conducted your global investment meet. And today we are going to this foundation stone laying ceremony. And from here, for us, of course, the hard work starts now to set up the project, and we will be troubling you and your team many times, of course, for support. But in the background of all of this, I must recognize over the past year or so since your visit to Singapore, sir, the background alignment on many issues that normally come in a project like this, the speed, professionalism, fairness with which those have been aligned is really something that has given us continued and even more confidence in going ahead with this. So I really want to thank Vishnu and his team from Guidance, Arun Roy and his predecessors as well from the industries team. Of course, Mr. Raja, this is all your team, so thank you very much for your support. And of course, Mr. Muruganandam, congratulations, both from as CMO 1 and now as Chief Secretary. You've been incredibly helpful. Whenever we had a problem, we would simply make a mention and somehow a solution would come. And of course, all of this under the leadership and guidance of the Honorable Chief Minister. So thank you very much, and we are very encouraged, very, very pleased to be here with you. Thank you very much.